Are you one of those people who would love to get in a little exercise but can't seem to get away from your work desk? In today's video, we are going to be looking at the InStride Folding Cycle, also known as an under desk bike. I purchased this small, portable and convenient folding cycle online, and I'm going to share with you my experience using it. As you can see here, it comes pretty much fully assembled. You just need to attach a couple extra pieces and it's ready to go. We'll start the setup process by adjusting the non-slip rubber feet. These rubber feet are designed for skid resistance and to avoid scratching up floors and tabletops. Next, we'll attach the stopwatch. It's very easy to use. You simply hold the button to reset the timer, then press it again to get the timer started. When you're finished with your workout, press the button yet again to stop the timer. It'll then show you the time that you've been on your folding cycle. Now, we'll attach the adjustable tension dial. With this dial, you can increase or decrease the intensity of your workout. Last but not least, we'll attach the removable knob to secure everything in place. And voila, your folding cycle is set up and ready to go. You can use it tabletop using your arms for an upper body workout, or as I used it, on the floor for a lower body cardio and muscle building workout. Now, as mentioned before, you can control the intensity of your workout by adjusting the tension dial. As you can see, by tightening the dial, the workout becomes harder. However, if you like it a little easier, just loosen the dial to the left and adjust as needed. So now that I've showed you the product, how to set it up, and how to use it, let me give you my honest opinion on the InStride Folding Cycle. So the question of the hour is, did I like this folding cycle and would I purchase it again? And the answer is, yes, I did like it, and I would purchase it again. I would even go so far as to say that I would gift it to someone. Believe it or not, this product only had one con that stood out to me. Unfortunately, the cycle does skid around a bit when using it. Though the company made an effort to try to make it skid resistant with the rubber feet, the cycle is not heavy enough to stay completely in one place. So it does skid a little when you're pedaling. But that's it. That's the only con I got. When setting it up in my office, I ended up putting it against a box that was then leaning against a wall. That held it in place and stopped the whole skidding problem. This is a nice portable piece of equipment. It's lightweight. It only weighs approximately 9 pounds. It measures approximately 19 by 15 inches, making it really easy to set up almost anywhere. And you can get an easy, low-impact workout while sitting at your desk. Now, is this the perfect workout for everyone? If you are someone who is really fit, this foldable cycle is probably not going to do much for you. However, if you are someone who is not really fit or moderately in shape, if you set it at a good enough intensity, you're more than likely going to get something out of it. It's going to get your blood pumping. Now, are you going to walk out of the office after a week looking like a bodybuilder? No, but at the very least, you'll feel good about making an effort to incorporate a small workout into your workday, which could then set the course to bigger and better workouts and an overall healthier lifestyle. And there you have it, guys. That was my honest review on the InStride Folding Cycle. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got some good information out of it, and I hope it was very helpful to you. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.